Hello, welcome to VOD TV. BCSE organized Puri Beach Marathon 4th edition 2024 on 8/12/2024. Bhubaneswar Cycling and Adventure Club BCSE organized its flagship event Puri Beach Marathon 4th edition on 8/12/2024. This one of its kind beach marathon where you have to run on the sandy beaches of Puri. The Puri Beach Marathon 2024 was flagged off from the Samuka beach in Puri at the sea mouth of Mangala River by SJ Sanjeev Panda, IPS Additional DGP, President BCSE, along with Ajay Kumar Nanda, Secretary BCSE in the morning. This event witnessed a massive participation with more than 500 athletes, including 80 ladies from different parts of the country and from countries like Ethiopia, Kenya, and UK. The runners reported well before the starting time at the hold-up area and received their kits from the designated stalls. The Puri Beach Marathon had two types of running courses. The half marathon course was designed as a return route of 10.55 kilometers from the Samuka beach of Mangala River sea mouth till Bali Harachandi beach and back. The 7-kilometer fun run participants started from the same starting point and covered 3.5 kilometers distance towards Bali Harachandi and returned to the same starting point after taking a U-turn. Of course, this beach marathon was quite a tough marathon where participants have to run on the uneven surface of sandy beach with different inclinations at each step. Apart from the soft sandy beach and uneven surface provided a real challenge to the runners on the entire course. Even such challenging circumstances could not hinder the advancement of the determined souls and witness some fine performances by budding athletes. With the tune of bands and cheers of the crowd, the runners completed their preferred route through barefoots and stickers. BCSE has provisioned for water and aid stations on the route at every 3.5 kilometers and volunteers were present to cheer up the runners. BCSE has also provisions for cash prizes of rupees 2 lakh for the winners and podium finishers. Apart from the prizes, the participants received a specially designed finisher medal, event t-shirt and digital certificates upon successful completion. The first prize of rupees 50,000 for 21-kilometer half marathon was awarded to Ashok Dandasena of Odisha, who completed with time of 1 hour 17 minutes 25 seconds. The second prize of rupees 30,000 was awarded to Panchanan Bera from West Bengal with time 1 hour 17 minutes 29 seconds. Third prize of rupees 20,000 was awarded to Yosef Getahun Ebebe of Ethiopia with time 1 hour 17 minutes 46 seconds as a Sanjeev Panda, Additional DG of Police, President BCSE Sri Siddharth Shankar Swai, IAS Collector Puri Sri Ajay Nanda, Secretary BCSE felicitated the winners with cash prize trophies. On this occasion, SJ Sanjeev Panda, the President of BCSE, announced to make the Puri Beach Marathon, an annual event on first Sunday of December every year, and to take it to next level to attract talent from all over the country and abroad. BCSE profusely thanks all its volunteers and sponsors. Scoutsat, Woodland, Odisha, Jindal Steel for the grand success of this event. Always committed towards offering something innovative and new to the field of adventure, BCSE has earlier conducted mega cycling events like Vietnam to Cambodia, Bhubaneswar to Bhutan, Cuttack to Kathmandu, Manali to Khardung La in the Himalayas. BCSE also conducts Golden Triangle Cycling Championship GTCC on second Sunday of February every year. BCSE is committed to improve the cycling and running culture in the state. Bureau Report, VOD TV.
भुवनेश्वर साइक्लिंग एडवेंचर क्लब सभापति अच्छी आमर भुवनेश्वर साइक्लिंग एंड एडवेंचर क्लब तरफ आज पुरी बीच मैराथन अनुष्ठित होती दुईट कैटेगरी इवेंट था गोटे रही हाफ मैराथन जोटा 21 किलोमीटर और गोटे 7 किलोमीटर रही है पाखापाखि 500 प्रतियोगी भाग नहीं जो पाखापाखि 80 जन महिला प्रतियोगी रही विदेश इथियोपिया केनिया यूके प्रतियोगी रही टोटाल आमर इवेंट कैश प्राइज 2 लाख टका रही यार विशेषत्व है प्रतियोगी मैंने बाली उपर ही दौड़ी था देखिए शामुका बीच रू बाली आड़े और बैक टोटाल 21 किलोमीटर होता है और से बाली ही दौड़ा पड़ता है आर भल प्रतियोगी अच्छा तेणु आमको उत्साहित करें आशा करूँ आगे आहरी अधिक प्रतियोगी आमर ओडिशा देश और बाहर भाग नियंतु और आमर जो सुंदर बेलाभूमि रही से दौड़ार अनुभूति
मैराथन तो 3 दिन हम बारंबार खेल चलती सेपटे साइकिल रेसिंग ता पूर्व आमर चलता जो कार्यक्रम चलता तो आज पुणी पुरी बीच मैराथन कौन कहे तापर
आप तो जानते कि आमर पुरी बेलाभूमि जमी आमर डेफिनेटली ओडार भी एक टूरिज्म हब एवं यह बहुत ही खुशीर विषय कि पुरी बीच मैराथन बड़ी एक सुंदर कार्यक्रम ये विगत 4 वर्ष आयोजित हो चली जानती कि आम वक्तव्य भी कहती कि आमर डेफिनेटली पुरी बीच मैराथन पोटेंशियल अच्छी कि आमर राज्य केवल नुह देशर भी आमर मैराथन कैलेंडर आसो एंड डेफिनेटली ये सुंदर कार्यक्रम आयोजित होगा द्वारा पुरी बीच प्रति लोक अवेयरनेस भी बढ़ो टूरिज्म पोटेंशियल भी बढ़ो और आप राइटली जमी कहले कि आमर साइक्लिंग कहतु रनिंग कहतु एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स कहतु ता प्रति भी लोकों रुचि बढ़ो और यह डेफिनेटली आजिका समय आवश्यक पोटेंशियल आम टूरिज्म पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एवं आमर दैनंदिन हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तो डेफिनेटली यह एक बहुत सुंदर कार्यक्रम एवं भुवनेश्वर साइक्लिंग एवं एडवेंचर क्लब एवं ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को बहुत बहुत साधुवाद जनाऊँ।